In this video, we're going to remove this fixture. We've completed all of the parts that need to be made on it, and the first step is we're going to just make sure that there's not a lot of burrs on it. All right, and I can use compressed air to blow it off. So what I like to do is close the doors as much as possible and stick my hand through here and basically just spray out all of the surfaces. And stand behind the glass because the coolant tends to spray back at you. Alright, so I've got all the cavities sprayed out, and you just basically want to inspect that there's no burrs in these locations, or chips, sorry. Okay, so we're going to remove the Jergens ball locks now, and we need the second smallest Allen key. Now this is also a critical step. I've had students in the past really bring these set screws all the way to the top, and they really only need to be lifted about that much. And you may find the fixture is still locked to the table, and I guess you might think that the ball locks are still tight, but they are not. So these are coming out just nice, but if they don't come out, what you can do is just give this a light tap, and that usually sets the fixture free. You don't need to give it a hard tap, just a light tap, and that kind of loosens everything off. So I'll put these back as I take them out. Alright, so I'll need two hands and of course the Allen key. I'll need two hands to remove the fixture. But I just slide it back so I can lift underneath it, lift it up. And at this point you can clean the backside with a rag. So if you need to set it down to get a rag, you should do that. And we just want to remove all of the chips from the backside and get it as dry as possible. I'm going to take it out now and set it down on the cabinet. Now this surface right here needs to be nice and clean, so we can take a rag and just wipe up the coolant and any chips. And we want to have this as a chip-free surface so that our next fixture doesn't have any chips underneath it. Alright, so that looks good there. And now this is just going to be dried off as much as possible. Just get the rag here. And now I'm going to hang it up on these two holes right here. So I need two hands to do that, so I'll just pause the video and then hang it up, and then I'll show you how it's supposed to be hung. Just one note here, make sure that this toggle clamp is completely closed so that this pin right here doesn't fall out. Alright. Okay, so I've hung it up now, and that's how it should remain until the next student uses it.